What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer your BNB from Trust Wallet to Binance. Now for those people who do not know BNB is the native token of Binance and you guys can easily transfer it into Binance. And for those people who do not know Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since it's the world's top cryptocurrency exchange, a lot of people use it to buy and sell crypto. And since a lot of people use it, you guys can also sign up into it by using our referral link, which is in the description, which gives you guys $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now with that said, if you guys have any question related with the video, feel free to ask us in the comment. And if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's jump right into the video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to open your Binance account and go on wallet and then go on overview. Now once you go on overview over here, what you want to do is you want to go on the deposit section over here. Now once you click on deposit, you want to click on over here where it says crypto deposit. And once you're in crypto deposit, make sure to choose BNB over here. So I'm going to choose BNB over here where it says select coin. But since I don't have verified my account yet, it's not allowing me to select BNB. But if I had verified my account, it's going to allow me to select the coin which I want to transfer, in our case BNB. After selecting the coin, there's going to be an address given to you. What you want to do is copy the address, and that's the wallet address of BNB. That's the main thing which we need over here. After you copy the address, open your Trust wallet and go on BNB. What you want to do is go on send, and on send you want to paste the address which you copied over here. After you paste the address over here, enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer and then click on continue. Once you do that, in the next step, it's gonna ask you to transfer and just click on transfer and your BNB will be transferred from Trust wallet to your Binance account. It's that simple. Hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.